Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. So today guys, just like the title says, I'll be showing you how to create bot channel locks. So essentially this means, for example, if I have a Dino channel, now I'm going to add the bots, so if I have a Dino channel and a Me6 channel, so in the Dino channel I only want Dino in this channel, and in the Me6 channel I only want Me6 in this channel. I don't want to, say, use a Dino command, like help, in the Me6 channel. So that is what bot channel locks are. I will be locking bots to certain channels. I'll be showing you two different ways of this. First of all, you can straight up just like lock the bot from the channel. And the second way is by just not letting them respond. So I'll be showing you both ways in today's video. And yeah, without further ado, let's get started. So just really quickly, guys, so bot channel locks, I'm going to add it. You have to make sure that you click off administrator, because if it has administrator, this won't work. He can have anything else, but just not administrator. And, okay, let's complete through CAPTCHA, and alright, see you with Dino. Alright, so, I am back here with Me6 and Dino in my server. Now, really quickly, I'm just going to go over here to server settings, I'm going to go to roles. And then I'm just going to create a quick bots role and just a really quick owner role. Sorry. Owner. Now I'm going to make sure that the owner role is up here, and boom. Now I'm just going to give it to Dino really quickly and to Me6. You don't have to do this, but I just like to be organized. Alright, so in the Dino channel, I only want Dino. So what I'm going to do is click Edit Channel. I'm going to go to Permissions. And then what I'm going to do is you can either add the Dino role, or because sometimes you invite bots and they don't have a role, so just add the member. I'm going to add both. I'm going to start out with the Dino role because you just do the same with both. So now what we want Dino to do, we want Dino to see this channel, and he already does. So perfect. But now we have Me6. We do not want Me6 to even be able to have access to the channel. So what we do to the Me6 role, you can you can just take away everything, but what I prefer to do is X the read messages and X send messages. So now Me6 is gone, and if I try to use help, it won't work. Okay, I think that's just my internet. Here it is, perfect. Help, and it doesn't work. However, if I use the Dino help command, it does work. I get the DM from Dino, the help. Perfect. So now, let's just do the same to Me6. So, we're gonna just chuck in the Dino role, and we're gonna exit out of both. And then also, just gonna throw in the Dino member, and then exit out of both. And boom. So now if I run the Dino command, it will not work, but the Me6 command will work. Perfect. Alright, and there's one more thing that I'm going to show you, and it's being able to see the bots in the channel, but not be able to use it. So let's go back to Dino, and I can just quickly delete these messages. I'm going to click that.
WaveClaw18 said, help.
Oh, I love that meme. It sounds so much like a meme, just that voice. But alright, so now really quickly, here's what to do. So let me just quickly take out the Me6 role, remove Me6, just to show you from scratch. Alright, Me6 is back in the channel. Perfect. Alright, so what we're going to do now is I'm going to just edit channel again, permissions. I'm going to hit the Me6 role. I'm going to give him read but not send. And essentially now Me6 will be able to read the channel, so you'll still be able to level up and stuff. However, if I run the help command, he will not respond. Oh my gosh. Alright, perfect. That's how to set up those bot channel locks. Now, what's surprising to me is that, a ton of servers that I'm in actually, don't have this. So, yeah. That's essentially how to create bot channel locks. If you enjoyed this video, Don't forget to leave a like rating down below. And of course, hit the subscribe button, hit the little bell, click all notifications. And of course, join my Discord, link in the description, my new Discord. And also, I've coded a Discord bot that actually just got added onto the Top GG website, so I'll leave a link to that as well. And you guys see you in the next one. Thank you so much for watching.